Welcome to the top picks. The Best Blender Jet 2 is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can own, offering a powerful yet portable solution for all your blending needs, from smoothies and protein shakes to sauces and dips, all without being tethered to a power outlet, making it an ideal companion for busy lifestyles, travel, or even just quick kitchen prep. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender 51131G. Blend your favorite drinks right in the travel jar, then simply grab it and go. It's portable, lightweight, and fits most car cup holders. Its durable stainless steel blades power through ice and frozen fruits for smooth results. Perfect for adding more vitamins and nutrients into your diet. Quickly prepare smoothies, icy drinks, and more by just pressing the button. It's incredibly simple to use for all your blending needs. The blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe. Cleanup is a breeze after you're done blending. This blender is durable and designed to handle a variety of ingredients. It's built to last and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. With its compact design and cord wrap, it neatly stores almost anywhere. The cord stays out of the way when not in use. Measuring lines on the blending jar eliminate the need for extra cups. You can easily measure ingredients without any guesswork. What we like? This blender is perfect for those who want a simple, reliable way to make smoothies on the go. Its powerful motor handles ice and frozen fruit with ease. If you're looking for a no-fuss blender that's easy to clean and durable, this is a great choice. What people say? This blender is very powerful and can crush ice easily. The portable design makes it easy to take anywhere. It is also very easy to clean, which is a big plus. Number 4. Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB 50100 Silver. Infuse your water with herbs and fruit for a refreshing drink anywhere. Simply insert the basket and fill it up. Our handled flip and sip lid makes it easy to transport and drink your creations. You can enjoy your beverages without any spills. A single full charge provides enough power for over 15 blending cycles. Stay powered up for all your blending needs. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you. The convenient handled lid is designed for portability. This little blender is designed to go wherever you do. Enjoy your favorite blends on the move with ease. What we like? This blender is ideal for health-conscious individuals who enjoy flavored water and smoothies. The infuser basket allows for creative drink combinations. If you prioritize convenience and portability with a unique feature for infused drinks, this is the one for you. What people say? The battery life is surprisingly good, lasting for multiple uses on a single charge. It's very easy to clean, just rinse the blade and cup under the tap. The compact size makes it perfect for travel and fitting into small bags. Number 3. Fullstar Portable Blender, White. Enjoy fresh, delicious beverages wherever you are with this portable blender. Its powerful motor effortlessly creates your favorite smoothies and shakes. Making your favorite drinks is simple with one-button control and clear measurement markings. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades, it crushes fruits, vegetables, and ice for perfectly smooth results every time. Beyond smoothies, it's perfect for making baby food, fresh juices, and even cocktails. It's a must-have for any kitchen. You can feel confident with its UL certification, ensuring it meets strict safety standards. A cleaning brush is included for easy maintenance. What we like? This blender is designed for everyday use, whether at home or the office. Its compact size and easy operation make it a versatile kitchen tool. If you need a reliable, safe, and easy-to-use blender for daily smoothies, juices, or baby food, this is an excellent option. What people say? It is very powerful and blends frozen fruit with no problem. I love that it is portable and I can take it anywhere. The battery life is amazing, I can get several uses out of one charge. Number 2. Portable Blender Cordless 24-ounce BPA-free. Enjoy your favorite flavors on the go. Whether you're at home, the office, or the gym, you can blend and enjoy your creations anytime, anywhere. Every sip brings convenience and pleasure. Experience powerful blending with its 6-blade design. It effortlessly crushes ice and frozen fruits, delivering silky smooth results comparable to larger blenders. Get the perfect smoothie every time. Stay powered up with its long-lasting battery and USB-C charging. You can easily charge it using car chargers, power banks, or laptops, ensuring you can blend whenever needed. Cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. Just add water and a cleaning agent, and in 30 seconds, it's ready for your next blend. No more tedious scrubbing. Designed for your convenience, it features a spacious 24-ounce vessel and a wide mouth lid with an easy pour spout. Its ergonomic design and lifting handle make it comfortable and secure to carry. Crafted from BPA-free and phthalate-free materials, it prioritizes your health and safety. The strong sealing ensures no leaks, making it the perfect travel companion. What we like. This blender is perfect for active individuals and travelers who need a powerful and convenient blending solution anywhere. Its USB-C rechargeability and self-cleaning function make it incredibly practical. If you value portability, ease of use, and a thorough clean without hassle, this blender is a top contender. What people say. This blender is a game changer for my morning routine. It's powerful enough to blend frozen fruit into a smooth consistency, and the portable design means I can take my smoothie on the go. I love how easy it is to clean. Just add some water and a drop of soap, blend for a few seconds, and it's good as new. The battery life is also impressive, lasting for several blends on a single charge. Number 1. Devan Portable Blender. Meet the Devan Portable Blender, your new go-to for delicious shakes and smoothies. It's designed for your active lifestyle, making healthy choices easier than ever. Tired of blenders that quit on you? This one features innovative anti-jamming blade technology and a powerful battery, ensuring a smooth blend every time. Its bidirectional blade rotation handles even the toughest ingredients with ease. Don't let its portable size fool you. With a 300W motor, it crushes ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, delivering the power of a countertop blender. Enjoy perfectly smooth results wherever you are. Its sporty design isn't just stylish, the illuminated base doubles as a battery indicator. With a generous 24-ounce capacity, you can make larger batches of your favorite drinks. Cleaning up is a breeze. The entire unit is washable, and a quick 30-second cycle with water and soap makes it self-cleaning. Most parts are also dishwasher safe. Made with premium, BPA-free materials, it's safe for your health. The comfortable silicone handle and included travel lid make it the perfect companion for your on-the-go adventures. What we like. This blender is built for those who demand performance and durability, especially for thick smoothies. Its anti-jamming technology and powerful motor ensure a smooth blend every time. If you're looking for a robust, stylish, and easy-to-clean blender that can handle tough ingredients, this sporty option is a fantastic choice. What people say. This blender is very powerful and can crush ice easily. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several uses on a single charge. It's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel or taking to the gym. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.